Gen3s here at the brand new Sunnyvale City Hall.
First floor. Going on. Third floor. Going on.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah, this is. Oh,
This is going up.
Oh, it come down anyway.
We'll come down.
Before you guys go to.
Fourth
Nice.
floor.
Here.
Going down. Third floor.
Did you tell Dennis to flex?
Going down.
You did or you did not? Oh, me neither.
I don't.
I don't think he minds. I think he already told me. If I need to flex, just flex. I don't need
First
to tell him.
floor.
He's so cool about that.
You guys go.
Thank you.
Going on.
Other car's broken. It's really nice.
Fourth floor.
2023. Guess we have to watch this because that LCD one doesn't work. There's supposed to be numbers on that one, but it's not displaying anything.
Garage.
All right.